Here is the World Cup in England and Wales. How do you feel that the World Cup is going to finally happen here?
I think it's awesome. I think the opportunity to not only play in a home World Cup, but to go in as contenders, I think is really exciting. We're embracing it as a team. We're seeing it as a huge opportunity, not only to compete, but to go and grow the game. The World Cup serves a number of purposes. One of them is to see the best cricketers in the world going hard at it. The other one is to grow the game, and I think it's a great opportunity next summer with the World Cup and the Ashes to grow the sport.
1992, Pakistan won the World Cup here, and now do you think that your team is stronger to win the World Cup?
I certainly do. I believe in every one of our players. I think the culmination of 3.5 years hard work in the lead-in has been extremely enjoyable, very challenging, but we're on the cusp now, 11 games before the first game against South Africa, so we're all really looking forward to it.